Eufy by Anker. BoostIQ RoboVac 30°C Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner, re-engineered to boast our strongest ever suction power 2000 PA max while maintaining quiet operation and a super slim design 2.85 inches. The EufyHome app. Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Knows your home. With over 10 built-in infrared sensors and drop sensing technology, RoboVac is constantly aware of its surroundings. Number 2. Routine cleaning. Customize a cleaning schedule that suits you. Simply set RoboVac to clean anytime, any day, all via your phone. Select multiple days and ensure your floors are always spotless. Number 3. Remote control. Control RoboVac's exact movements via the app so you never miss a speck. Number 4. Just follow the sound. If RoboVac gets stuck or is playing hide and seek, just tap the Find My Robot button in the EufyHome app to find it without effort. Number 5. Minimum hassle, maximum convenience. The redesigned Unibody filter increases efficiency and lasts longer, which means less fuss for you. Number 6. Holds more. The larger, upgraded inlet allows RoboVac to handle more dust, fluff, and hair with ease. The increased capacity means less maintenance for you. Number 7. Disturbs dust, not people. Advanced brushless motor significantly reduces vacuuming noise. Number 8. 3-point cleaning system. 3 brushes and strong suction power effectively loosen, extract, and vacuum dirt to give a superior clean. Number 9. BoostIQ technology. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed, so you get the best clean. Number 10. Set boundary strips. RoboVac uses specialized dual-hall sensors to detect the boundary strips you set, ensuring it only cleans the areas required. Number 11. What you get. RoboVac 30°C Max 13.2 feet boundary strips. Remote control 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will this work in a home without internet? I use the internet via my phone's hotspot. I do not have an internet-dedicated router. Answer: yes. Even without the home Wi-Fi, the users can still let the RoboVac run automatically or use a remote hotspot to control it. Question number 2. Does it clean tile? Answer: yes. It can work with different hard floors and mid-carpet. Question number 3. Is the 30C Max better than the 30? If so, why is it the same price as Eufy 30? Answer: RoboVac 30°C Max has greater suction power than RoboVac 30 and also supports Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.